Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Toyota Corolla versus BYD. Focus on performance, efficiency, safety, and ownership to pick the best fit. I will walk through engine and electric options, fuel and charging realities, real-world comfort, and typical running costs. By the end, you will know which car aligns with your budget, commute, and priorities, so you can make a confident decision without getting lost in specs. Compare how each model drives in typical conditions, and think about daily routes. Corolla's petrol setup favors long reliability and predictable mileage, while BYD's electric options shine in stop-and-go city travel. Consider range, charging availability, and regeneration behavior if you lean electric. Also factor in cabin insulation and suspension tuning, since comfort affects daily satisfaction. A short test loop will reveal which drivetrain matches your priorities most naturally. Thanks for watching, and if you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: a book called The Simple Path to Wealth changed how many people think about money and saving, and it pairs nicely with car buying decisions. It helped me prioritize what matters when budgeting for a vehicle purchase. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Look beyond sticker price to ownership costs over several years for a clearer picture. Corolla tends to have lower routine maintenance complexity, while BYD may lower fuel costs but add battery considerations. Factor insurance, incentives, and expected depreciation in your calculations. Also research warranty terms and dealer network for support. Crunching realistic annual costs helps avoid surprises and makes it easier to choose the smarter financial option for your situation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.